And then we have Ethernet. So we can connect to an internet connection or to the IT network in the building. And we also we typically use this to connect to a switch. And the switch is used to give us an extra input while we're working on it. Plus we connect the HMI, the display panel that we typically have in a job. Then we also have an SD card. So we can store data on an SD card right in the PLC. And this PLC happens to talk some of the modern language communication protocols like MQTT and JSON and stuff like that, so data can be shared on the network. Then this also has what they call a POM. There's an extra port here that is Programmable Option Module that allows you to add more communications capability. I can put another serial port on, I can put another Ethernet port, and I can put an Ethernet port on that allows me to control everything in my machine, but have a second on this Ethernet port on a different network, different, so that can't cause crosstalk. You don't want your IT network crashing your PLC, and so this one allows you to put a second port in and separate the real world from the PLC, and the PLC can do its thing and nobody can step on it because it's not addressed that way. Yet the PLC can still send data out or request data over it, but it's not part of the logic circuit. So that's this has some other nice features. The connectors are pluggable. So replacing a PLC is trivial. You just pull the plugs out, and you see we have plugs missing because we aren't actually using those right now. And so the plugging is really nice, because in the old days they used terminals, and if you had to replace a PLC, you had to be very, very careful to take all the wires off in the right place.